Hey guys, in this video we'll be focusing on converting direct speech into indirect speech. For affirmative sentences, press the subscribe button below. Let's get started. He said, I play football. The answer is, he said that he played football. In indirect speech, also known as reported speech, the exact words of the speaker are not quoted directly, but are instead paraphrased or summarized. This transformation typically involves changes in pronouns, verb tenses, and sometimes other parts of speech to fit the context of the reporting. For instance, I play football. The pronoun I changes to he. To match the subject of the reporting clause, the present tense verb play shifts to the past tense played to reflect that the reporting verb sat is in the past tense. Such changes ensure that the reporting statement makes sense in the context in which it is being reported. He said, I don't call Hal daily. The answer is, he said that he didn't call Hal daily. The pronoun I changes to he to match the subject of the reporting verb said, since the speaker is being referred to in the third person. The present tense verb don't call changes to the past tense didn't call to reflect that the reporting verb sat is in the past tense. These adjustments are necessary to maintain the contextual coherence of the statement. Finally, the sentence structure is modified. He said, I will go to the gym. The answer is, he said that he would go to the gym. The pronoun I changes to he. The future tense verb will go changes to would go to reflect that the reporting verb said is in the past tense. These adjustments ensure that the sentence maintains temporal coherence, accurately conveying the original meaning in the context of the reported speech. The sentence structure is also modified to integrate the reported speech smoothly into the narrative. She said, I drove the car yesterday. The answer is, she said that she had driven the car the previous day. The pronoun I changes to she to match the subject of the reporting verb said, since the speaker is being referred to in the third person. The past simple tense drove changes to the past perfect tense had driven to reflect the sequence of events in relation to the past tense reporting verb said. Additionally, the time expression yesterday changes to the previous day to fit the context of the reported speech. She said, I didn't dance at the party. The answer is, she said that she hadn't danced at the party. The pronoun I changes to she. The negative past tense verb phrase didn't dance changes to hadn't danced to reflect the past perfect tense, which is often used in reported speech to indicate that the action occurred before the reporting. This tense shift helps to clearly establish the sequence of events relative to the time of reporting. They said they will be there at 2 p.m. tomorrow. The answer is, they said that they would be there at 2 p.m. the next day. The pronoun they remains unchanged as it is already in the third person. The future tense verb will be changes to would be to align with the past tense of the reporting verb said, reflecting that the statement is being reported after it was originally made. Additionally, the time expression tomorrow changes to the next day to fit the context of reported speech. He says, I have finished. The answer is, he says that he has finished. The reporting verb says is in the present tense. First, the pronoun I changes to he to match the subject of the reporting verb says, as the speaker is being referred to in the third person. The present perfect tense have finished remains has finished to match the present tense of the reporting verb. This is because the action being reported is still relevant or recent in the context of the present tense reporting verb. He said to me, "You are a good boy." The answer is, he told me that I was a good boy. The pronoun you changes to I to match the perspective of the person being addressed, which in this case is me. Finally, the verb tense shifts from are to was to reflect the change from present to past tense, a common adjustment when reporting speech. The boy said, "I saw a shooting star last night." The answer is, the boy said that he had seen a shooting star the previous night. In this case, the boy becomes he, I saw becomes he had seen, and last night changes to the previous night. This ensures that the indirect speech accurately reflects the timing and perspective of the original statement. They said they take exercise classes. Now you tell me the answer in comments. Bye bye. Take care.